Our team, which is Brian, Russ, Annette, and I, felt that there would be significant COVID implications the beginning of December. And so we thought doing the RHETI session at this time would really help the community to build on what they already know and to continue growing and evolving with the Enneagram, with the Enneagram Institute, and with the RHETI.
The RHETI stands for the Riso-Hudson Enneagram Type Indicator. The purpose of the test, it's 144 forced choice questions that you have the opportunity to distinguish different aspects of your personality as you go through it. And it's an opportunity for, as you answer the questions, to reflect on how does this really impact you? Is it something that's really part of me in my day-to-day life? To discover yourself in a very wholesome way.
This event represents a coming together, and maybe how important that is at this time. How important it is to have a spirit of that, of community, which is something I also hope that everybody will feel in coming to the call, a sense of being part of a community that is seeking to be more conscious. I think people coming to this session will come away with a much clearer sense of how to go about supporting themselves in their journey, but also supporting others in finding out what's going on. I think one of the things the Enneagram does in general, but the RHETI helps with very specifically, is finding out how to most efficiently zero in on the stuff that we need to work on.
I had used it when I worked on Wall Street. Very often when we were interviewing law students and seeing a little bit about their personality, and very often it worked where they would just really relax and just really blossom during the course of the interview.
Focusing the energy of your attention on the parts of your life that most need your attention. And the Enneagram is intended to do that, but I think the RHETI, the way it's constructed, really helps people sort that out.
There's a lot of challenges in the world, and coming together, bringing together the Enneagram Institute, Russ Hudson, the Awakened Company, and all of us to work together and talk about this important topic is just a great opportunity, and we hope people are interested, and we hope it helps.
So December 9th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, please come and join Brian, Russ, and I. It'll be fun and free.